and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B.
And this is Tech Guy from the Hive.
And we are so excited to be back here for another unboxing video this week. As you can see, we are doing the Quilty box.
Absolutely.
He's just so excited. He can't wait.
Absolutely. Just want to jump right in.
Yes. So this is the Quilty box, and we've done several unboxings before. Right as you open the box, you get this the inspiration magazine, and it gives you some, ooh, whoever this is, I really love their studio. Look how beautiful that is. We're trying a little bit of a new camera setup, so it may take a little bit to focus or something like that. Just be nice. We know.
Yes.
We know it's coming.
We're trying to make it easier for you guys to actually see what we're doing. So.
Yes, absolutely. I didn't love the top down because I feel like you're not actually getting our reactions.
Right, just in the voice.
So, yes.
Yeah, we want
Yes. And if you see us looking off to the side a little bit, we film in our studio. The door is just that direction, and I've purposely left my Christmas wreaths on the door with my real pine because I want the birds to nest there so badly so that I can watch them, and there's like a dozen birds
right now
on 2 wreaths right now.
It's very cool.
So we're hoping they're gonna nest there, maybe. I don't care, they can take it off to their little nest. But what a great way.
It's a little big.
I meant the pine needles.
Oh, okay.
To make their nest. Funny story, I can't believe I'm gonna admit this on a YouTube channel, but I was in Florida when I was in high school for spring break with my my mom and my grandmother.
That was just a couple years ago, right?
Oh yes. And I was walking along the beach going to the restroom, story of my life, and a bird attacked my head, my ponytail, for the sake of its nest. It needed some hair, and it was terrifying because I wasn't quite sure what happened, and I screamed because it hurt so bad. I mean, he took a chunk out of my head, like blood and yes, it was awful. And my mom could not stop laughing. I'm hysterically crying. There are 1,000 people standing around trying to figure out if I'm okay because they all saw it happen, and my mom is doubled over in laughter. So that's okay, I lived. I wish I could say that's the only time I've been attacked by a bird, but it isn't. So for now, I like to see them outside my window. Oh, I digress. Okay, so we've got the Quilty box. It is $48 a month plus the free shipping.
This is the classic.
Yes, this is the classic Quilty box. And then if you pay like 3, 6, or 12 months, they go down in price for you, which is super nice.
Yes.
And then 5% of those multi-month subscriptions go to Quilts for Kids, which is near and dear to our hearts. So, okay, well, let's get this opened up because I don't want to cheat. So I'm gonna...
What comes in this? Because some people are a little confused on what this is and why is it valued the way it is valued.
Right. Yeah, because it's always this thing is always valued at $10.
Yes.
So there are patterns inside of it, and you always get multiple patterns.
Yes.
So your patterns for other boxes are in here too. Like if they do a Quilt Box Mini, sometimes your patterns are in here. Let's see. I don't want to show you anything. So, but like there's a table runner pattern in here.
Right. Just a lot of cool information, not just
there's
patterns.
Articles, so there's 1, 2, 3.
There's usually 3 or 4, maybe 5.
Yeah, there's 3 patterns in here. So, I mean, even if you're paying $5 a pattern,
it's still a good deal.
It's still a great deal.
Right.
And then this one's really cool. This one has a color your own log cabin block. And so it tells you like the history of the log cabin. I'm trying to get it to focus.
You did something very similar to that, didn't you?
Yes. I did a half log cabin.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's pretty neat. And it teaches you some other things about the designers and stuff like that.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's get this guy opened up.
Awesome. I love these. This is your nest organizer. I know Kia loves these because she has something similar in arm's reach. I think 1 or 2 of them. I'm looking over to her portable shelving unit that she has all this stuff in. She loves how everything just kind of sticks out and grab.
Yeah, let me see this one. So I don't have this design specifically. I have one from a different company. But this is really nice. I don't know if you saw our floss tube, but Tech Guy is going to start cross stitching for Mania.
I am.
So this would be nice to put in his little basket. If you move your face, honey, it will focus on this.
That'd be great. There you go.
Okay, so that is the nest. So that's really nice.
So is that for me?
Okay, so different. Yeah, I mean, it's green.
Okay.
You could totally use it.
I don't care what color it is.
Okay, keep going.
Absolutely. Oh.
Oh, so pretty.
It's wrapped.
It is wrapped. I will unwrap the plastic, but I'm not unwrapping the entire fat quarter bundle. I will try and show it. Okay, so this is, what is this? This is Walkabout by Sherry and Chelsea. Oh, I bet that's their craft room, one of them. Okay, so let me...
Which is very pretty.
Yes. Okay, so we've got some... I'm trying to...
Put it in front of my face.
Okay, so we've got the navy blue and like a really pretty baby blue color, a green. I'm not very good at describing fabric. Here's a tan.
Doing such a great job, babe.
And a neutral. And then a red. And like a peachy pink. Oh, I skipped one. There we go. There's that one. And this one. Very pretty. So there's some geometric. There is some floral. It's kind of all together.
Very springish.
Very springish. That's cute. I wonder if it makes that table runner. Cute.
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome.
Oh, wait. We didn't say what this is.
Oh.
So these are fat quarters. 8 fat quarters in here. So that's super cute. Walkabout.
The fat quarter type of week, huh?
Yeah.
And then it's also a clover seam ripper type of week, too.
Oh, okay. Cool. So we have a clover seam ripper as well.
Absolutely.
Very cool.
And that is it.
That is it? There's no thread?
I did not see. Oh, it was hiding.
I started to say, so
There's always thread.
Yes, if you don't know, Quilty Box is known for always having a pattern, fabric, thread, and a notion.
Absolutely.
So, okay.
So it's actually good for gifts as well. If someone is, for your friends or your loved ones or people that you know that's going to start quilting, I think this would be a good box to start because they're going to get all their I think, beginners things, and then maybe for more experienced quilters, it's still a great box. I think it's a great box for your loved ones. Yeah, because the patterns that come in the bundles of inspiration are multi-level. Right. So there are some difficult ones, and then there are some easier ones as well. So this is RFL color 2026. So it's a very neutral color, which is cool. Cool. Very cool. All right. So we've got the bundles of inspiration, which is valued at $10. The RFL thread, which is valued at $4.99. The Walkabout fat quarter bundle is valued at $25. I will definitely be using that because I love it. Clover seam ripper is valued at $4.50. And then the nest, your nest organizer by Pudgy Parrot is $18.95. Awesome.
Yeah. So that's so great. Yeah, it's a great box.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us in the Hive today for this another unboxing video. And yeah, we appreciate the conversation that y'all have in the comments down below. So make sure you continue it down there. All right. Well, you all have a great week and thank you so much. Bye.